probably the main one is probably just, that passion and that love for my country and love for my parents and, love for my nation. So yeah.
So both mum and dad Samoan.
Yeah, both mums Samoan and they're from the island of Hawaii. So, they came to New Zealand when they were around the 80s and stuff like that. So I am a New Zealand born Samoan, but all of my heritage and all my culture and all my grandparents and that have been born here, and they obviously they passed away now, but they still live here. And, the Manu has been, and where it has been when I wasn't here, and obviously the winds and haven't been coming, but I have come to try and change, and trying to add something, to a team, and that's my huge motivation is to try and motivate those aspiring Samoans in New Zealand who are going for the All Black dream, but here we have a beautiful country that you can come and represent, and you're playing quality teams and stuff like that. But the huge passion to inspire young Samoan players to come and play for our nation, lovely nation, is probably one of my biggest motivation. Everything for me, and just like pretty much everyone here, they do it for their love of their family. They give up a lot. You know how much these boys give up to play for this lovely nation of ours, and huge respect to our boys, and that's probably my inspiration is my family. Cut my hair so many times, but I'm still Sikati and I listen to them and stuff like that. But I just had this urge to grow my hair. And
are we talking kind of like Samson?
Yeah, well, I've looked at Alessandro and all those boys, and those guys are huge idols of mine as well. And the Tulangi brothers, they're having long hair, and some of the other Buck boys here at Fizz, Filipolo and them, some of them have long hair, and I think hopefully it gives a little shocking appearance when those Germany people see us. So it's more for a scare factor more than a actual look. So yeah.